Online shopping words. Order. It means to request or buy a product through an online platform. For example, I ordered shoes from an online store. Cart. It means an online basket for items. For example, the items are already in my cart. Payment. It means the act of giving money for a product or service. For example, I completed the payment successfully. Discount. It means a reduction in the original price of a product. For example, the jacket is available at a 30% discount. Offer. It means a special deal provided to attract customers. For example, the website has a festival offer. Delivery. It is the process of sending the purchased product to the customer's address. For example, the delivery will take 2 days. Cash on delivery. A payment method in which money is paid after receiving the product. For example, I chose cash on delivery for this product. Online payment. It means payment made using the internet through apps or cards. For example, online payment is quick and easy. Return. It means to send the product back to the seller after receiving it. For example, I returned the shirt because of size issues. Refund. It means the money given back to the customer after a return or cancellation. For example, I received my refund within 3 days. Tracking. It is the process of checking the current location of an order. For example, I am tracking my parcel online. Review. It means a written opinion shared by buyers about a product. For example, I read customer reviews before buying. Shipping. It is the process of sending products to customers. For example, free shipping is available on this order. Exchange. It means replacing a product with another one. For example, I request an exchange for a bigger size. Out of stock. It means product not available for purchase. For example, This color is currently out of stock. Wish list. It means a list of items shared for future purchase. For example, I added this watch to my wish list. Invoice. It means a discount showing purchase details and price. For example, I downloaded the invoice for my records. Delivery slot. It means a chosen time for delivery. For example, I selected an evening delivery slot. Express delivery. It means faster delivery service. For example, I chose express delivery for urgent items. Estimated delivery. It means the expected date when the order will arrive. For example, the estimated delivery is Friday. Secure payment. It means a safe method of paying online. For example, the website provides secure payment options. Customer support. A service that helps customers with problems is known as customer support. For example, customer support solved my issue quickly. Seller policy. It is a rule set by the seller for returns, refunds, etc. For example, read the seller policy carefully. Order history. It means record of all previous purchase. For example, I checked my order history for details. EMI option. It means paying in monthly installments. For example, I bought the laptop using EMI option. Order confirmation. A message that confirms the order is placed is known as order confirmation. For example, I received the order confirmation email. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.